It's Friday, and of course I've got to fix a broken pipe and some tree roots, so let's get that done. It looks like somebody was trying to stump grind a tree stump or something in here and caught the pipe. We're going to use some water digging techniques by using the garden hose and a hand pump to wash away some of the dirt and rocks around the roots, so when the battery charges on my reciprocating saw, because it was dead, I can go ahead and start cutting away the roots to get to the pipe. Here's a better look at the tree stump. I believe the pipe is broken right in between there, so I'm going to keep trying to wash out this area to get to it, and we'll cut away at the roots as we go. Stopping only to show you guys how I'm doing this. I got the head of the hose with the nozzle on it down there, and it's just spraying down under the stump here. And as it does that, I'm pumping the water out with my hand pump, and all this sand that you see here is all the dirt that's coming out with the water. That means that I don't have to dig up underneath the roots with a shovel or my hands. I just use the water to dislodge it and then pump it out with my pump, and it ends up over here. All right, after much more digging, we got to some pipes and to the root of the problem, pun intended. As soon as I tore this root off, you could see the damage. There are not one, but two pipes down there that were being crushed by this root here. So I'm gonna excavate a little bit more so I can get the roots out of my way to make the repair. Another important note here is that zone number 2, where the pipe is broken, was also experiencing low pressure towards the end of the zone over there. How much you want to bet when I fix this pipe, that pressure problem just disappears? Well, this is an odd request. My customer just asked me to come to the back of his house so that we can convince his dog to eat. She's not feeling well, so we're going to get her to do that. Because why not? Hey, little girl, gotta go eat the food. I'm going to eat that food if you don't. Go get it.
Let's go get it. So yeah, that's go, please go. Come on, let's go.
Get your food. I'm coming to get your food, dude. Let me stomp my boots out so I don't get your floor completely dirty.
Oh, so how do you think this is going to work out over there? Go get your food. Go on. Oh, he's going to eat your food, yes. Oh, Lucy, go, go, go. Lucy. Oh, good girl. Get it. Good girl. Yeah. Come on.
I think I'm going to take it.
You got her. You got her. Good girl, Lucy. Oh, okay.
You better eat it before I do.
Oh, good girl. Oh, you're the best.
Made a little bit of a mud mess in here.
Do you see this? I have a vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, well, I guess that's what that's for.
I call it the beast. You better hurry. Come on, let's go.
You better eat it. Eat it. Job well done.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
No problem.
I did 2 things for you now, and you did 1 too.
Oh, no, I really do appreciate the fan. Guys, he gave me a fan to work with in front of, or to be put in front of me while I'm working to keep me cool. I mean, I could step into my van and get some AC, but that's like a little break. This fan that he gave me over here is going to keep me cool the entire time I'm working, which is freaking awesome. And of course I'm going to help him with his dog. The dog needs to eat. She's not feeling well, so we're going to go in there and make it look like we're eating the food so that the dog eats the food. All right, now we got to get back to this repair. All right, now that I got it cleaned up, you can see clearly what was going on in here. You see this pipe in the middle? It's not connected to anything, and that's because at one point in time, that pipe was twisted in this direction, and it got crushed by the tree roots here, just like our pipe that we're going to be fixing right here. So this pipe in the middle, we're going to cut it over here and get rid of it, get it out of our way. It's not being used anymore. It's being connected to this pipe somewhere down the run there. What I'm going to try to get to is the pipe on the bottom there, so that I can 90 out that direction, up and over to the pipe over here. So let's go ahead and get that done. All right, there it is, all said and done. Repaired in its same exact spot that it was in before I started, except now all the pipes aren't broken, including the one that I hit on the top there. Yes, we did use a slip fix because I can't bend pipes here. There's a palm tree right there. So that's exactly where these pipes are going, to the base of that palm tree. So we got it fixed. All that's left to do now is test the system and backfill the hole as long as everything goes well. I think it will. Let's go take a look after we turn zone 2 on if the area by the front door is getting better pressure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this has never been this high pressure for them because that pipe looked like it was like that for a long time. Now everything is being covered perfectly in here. All right, on to the next one.